In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a video using Canva. Whether you're looking to share your presentation online or simply want to store it more creatively, converting your PowerPoint into a video is a great option. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this seamlessly in Canva. First, you'll want to open up Canva. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a versatile design platform that's perfect for creating impressive presentations and more. Once you're at the Canva homepage, you're ready to get started. Look for the upload option, which should be easily visible on the main dashboard. This button allows you to bring your PowerPoint into Canva's platform so you can begin the conversion process. Click the upload button, and then you'll see the option to upload files. At this point, navigate to find your PowerPoint file on your device and select it for uploading. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once your PowerPoint is uploaded, it will appear in your list of designs. Click on it to open the file within Canva. Here you can make any adjustments you need to, like tweaking design elements or adding animations. It's important to note that Canva allows for creative flexibility, so feel free to use this opportunity to enhance your presentation visually. After your presentation is open and any desired edits have been made, it's time to move toward finalizing it as a video. Head over to the Share button. This button is typically located towards the upper right corner of the navigation bar. Clicking it will reveal several sharing and downloading options. Now click on Download. This step will prompt a menu of file types that Canva can export your presentation as. Since we're focusing on converting it into a video, you'll want to select MP4 video from this list. The MP4 format is widely supported and perfect for sharing and viewing on most devices and platforms. Once you've chosen MP4 video, click the download button to initiate the conversion process. Canva will then process your design, turning each slide of your PowerPoint into a video scene. Depending on the length and content complexity of your presentation, the download might take a few minutes. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a video using Canva. This method not only allows for easy sharing, but also makes your content more dynamic and engaging. Don't forget to save your video somewhere secure once it's downloaded, and you can start sharing it with your audience right away. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.